Hello guys, this is Lana, real investor. Today we're in Home Depot and we're choosing some materials. Let's take a look. It's of course for flips, it's not for rental properties, because rental properties, the cheaper, the simpler, the better. You have to have the simpler stuff that's not breaking very often. But for flips, yes, do you like it? Beautiful. You see? It looks like glass, but actually it's tile. And let's see different type of laminates. Let's see. This one, almost $4. Different colors and different price. Red oak natural. Wow, it's natural. Let's see. But for me, it's not important, the floor. For me, it's very important, as I said, to invest money in fundamental stuff. Plumbing, electrical. Yes, it's better to spend money on this one. But this one is just decoration. It depends on your wallet, how much money you want to spend. Actually, it's not so important. And of course, again, if it's rental properties, you have to understand the tenants can destroy it. But my list said the tenants have to have special pads, furniture pads, and they are responsible for scratches, for all scratches. You see, prices: $2.40, $2.79, or 75 cents. Here we go. Good. Lakeshore Pecan. It's good, not bad. Oh, it doesn't matter. In another rental we have linoleum. It's fine as well. It works very well. Carpet. Actually, I don't like it. 25 years wear and lifetime stain warranty. 25? Then you can deduct, yes? You can write off lifespan of your carpet. Oh, I don't like carpet actually. Maybe in some areas where it's very, very cold, yes, but actually, I think laminate is much more better. Let's see. Hi.
And take this.
Let's see. Huge laminate. And fake grass. Have you seen grass? Nice, beautiful grass, but it's this one. It's fake. So let's see. Another types, different types. This one 15 year stain and wear warranty. Interesting. So many. Wow. But again, remember, if you do rental properties, again, the simpler, the cheaper, the better. Because some investors, they even don't install air conditioner because it requires a lot of repairs. We just provide window AC. It's cheap. It's like less than $100, $99. That's it. And tenants, we can install Nest. You know it, yes? Cameras. Smart home. For flips, of course, it should be nice, beautiful. But again, for rentals, it shouldn't be. The cheapest, the better. For example, you can take a look. This one, $129, but you can find the cheapest one like $16. And because if tenant breaks something, you don't want to spend a lot of money for a repairs. 13, you see, it's good. $15. Again, otherwise, all your cash flow will go to repairs. No, it shouldn't be like this. And of course it depends on property, yes? If it's not expensive property, there is no point to spend a lot of money for renovations, for updates, because location. Usually not expensive property located in, we can say, C or D areas. That's why people in these areas, they're looking for space. They're not looking for upgrades, updates, smart home stuff, and all this stuff. They're looking for... sorry, it's so noisy. They're looking for... and more rooms your house has, it's better. You see vanity. It's not expensive to change vanity. Only $180, $190. $669. Yeah, thanks. More trending option available online. How much this one? $229. It's like marble. Miss Vanity top. This one $400. Okay. So let's see.
Loosen up.
Select the right tankless gas water heater. Different water heater. Let's see. For example, Florida and Southern California requires approximate usage 199 BTU an hour. Groundwater temperature varies. Water heater. Energy Star. Because each property has own water heater. And you see, all my tenants, they have to send video report when we change filters. You see how many different filters? And you can buy Home Depot production, like, I don't remember, $6, $4. It's good, like here, you see, $4. It depends on size. This one, $4 as well. You don't need expensive stuff. This one is $17. Again, let's see. Cameras, Nest Learning thermostat. Oh, it's not cameras. Thermostat. Different. It's like AC, air conditioner controller. That's why again, if you buy a cheap property, you don't need to spend a lot of money for different renovation. Let's see. This one costs almost 3,000. I don't know why it's so expensive. But for rentals you can buy on Craigslist for $50. Smart, how much it costs this one? 3,500. Fun, your home, family, your home. What says your home? Let's see. Control smart device. Control smart device.
Dim your lights, interact with your favorite smart devices, and see who's at the door on your family hub.
You see? Interesting. You even can control who's in front of your house. Twin cooling plus. Metal cooling. Samsung see how calendars, photos, and notes can be shared with the family hub. My God. Smart fridge. I like this one for rentals purposes. It's very good. Oh my God, it's screaming like crazy. See who's at the front door. Doorbells. Interesting. This one. Again, I like this one. Why? It's better than for example, not plastic, glass one. Why? Because if something happens, you just clean. Oh, finally. You just clean it, that's it. This one, yes, is the best option. Sorry for noise. We're screaming like crazy. Different type. Yes. Yes. But a lot of stove are electrical. And yes, this one is better not to buy. I tell you the truth. Because all tenants break it. Because it's very, very, very fragile. That's why don't buy it. If it's electrical in your rental or in your house at all, it's better to buy this one. Much more better. And the price for this one, almost 500. For this one, it's much more expensive, but it breaks easily. Without any intention, you break it in second. But I told you, you can buy from Craigslist, you can buy from any any different websites. And it's cheaper. Used, why not? If it works, it's fine. But gas, of course, is better. But fewer homes we have gas stove, unfortunately. And microwave, but this one, of course, is nice, modern. What do you think about this kitchen? I like white. And this, like marble countertop. Samsung, let's see. The price is $2,776. It's crazy. Why it's so expensive? It's cheaper to eat in restaurant. Especially because I don't cook. I prefer raw food. That's why I don't care about this one. Again, 3,000. What we're getting for 3,000? Just regular fridge. I don't know what's unusual here, but you see price 3,200 plus taxes, by the way. But right now everybody knows that aisle it means like how to say, separate kitchen. And what do you think about this style? For me, I don't like it, because when you move from here to here, you spill all this stuff on the floor. No, I don't like it. And for me, interior is not so important, because for me it's important money, cash flow, how much you get in. Interior is not so important. Maybe for high-end houses, luxury, like 20 millions and up, is much more important. Okay, let's see what types of dish or washer and dryer we have. This one costs how much? $545 and $1,348. You see? All fridges, how much? $600? Wow. It's not cheap. I like 2-in-1. Oh, this one I think 2-in-1. LG. Oh no, it's not 2-in-1. Unfortunately, no. It's not 2-in-1. This one, 1,200. Oh. Is it 2-in-1? Let's see. Maytag, 800. And only washer. There is no dryer. Oops, how to open it? Oh, like this. Oh my god, it's screaming. This one, of course, it's for high-end houses. Dishwasher. It's cheaper. 300, 348. And again, big ones. Why is they so big? I don't like it. Doors, different type of doors. Everybody knows white is classic and it's better. Let's see here. 674. Again. Oh, 1,000 for dishwasher. And they breaks very easily, by the way. Let's see grills. How much grills? For backyard. 500. 500 again. It's not cheap. Weber. So in this one, 1,000. Okay, so again, conclusion. For rental properties, the cheaper the better. It's better to buy something cheap that doesn't break at all. But if it's break, our list said the tenants are responsible for all amenities. All amenities they provided as a courtesy, and we're not responsible for repairs and all this stuff. But AC, air conditioner, you have to be responsible, unfortunately, because you have to provide it by law. It's raining now. That's why don't spend a lot of money for upgrades, renovate, if it's rental properties. Let's take a look. What do you think? It's a good kitchen? Beautiful? But again, it's for high-end houses only. You don't need to spend a lot of money for rentals, because rentals are created for cash flow. Let's see here. Nice, beautiful. Let's see here. And again, fridge, 3,300. What's unusual here? I don't know. It's just regular fridge for me. For 3,000 you can eat in restaurant easily. It's just modern, brand new, and new collection. Okay, so let me know what type of renovation you're doing, where you're doing. Let me know in comments. Subscribe to the channel, share your opinion, share your investment strategy, where do you invest, investment experience. Sorry, hi, as well. Okay, subscribe to the channel, share your experience. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you, bye bye.